finally here at Mohenjo Daro, and this is a real bucket list item for me. I've wanted to come here for so long. At one point, this was one of the most advanced cities in the entire world, over 5,000 years ago, when it stood at the heart of the Indus Valley civilization. And you can still see all the evidence of that advancement, from this granary that I'm currently standing in to the drainage projects scattered throughout, as well as the wells and bath behind me. The site continued to be used long after the Indus Valley civilization fell, and you can see the Buddhist stupa on the hill up ahead. Over 2,000 years ago, this was an important part of Buddhist cultural heritage. And Mohenjo Daro to this day continues to be a massively important part of Sindh and Pakistan's cultural heritage and an important monument to the world. मेरी अगली मंजिल के लिए कमेंट करें। Alawaii!